I have no idea if this is going to work. I don't know if the clamp's going to stay. I got a clamp on the bow. My phone with dual capture is there. And where are we going here? Over there somewhere. Oh, that did not work. And it hurt too. It makes the bow so awkward. But we'll see what happens here. Come on. There we go. Light up. Oh. Oh. Part of it went one way and the other part went the other direction. Okay, that didn't work. I better go find out what's going on with that. Oh, I can't see what I'm shooting at. Not a clue. And the bow's moving around like a chicken with its head cut off. And the phone's not exactly being cooperative either. Oh. I'm thinking the phone side of this experiment is a dud. I can't see anything past the phone, so I'm not getting anywhere near that fork. Oh, but they're out there. See? The lights, they're over there somewhere. And I gotta go figure out what happened to that one. Keep having fun, guys.